Hey, it's Dr. Spates giving you your weekly checklist for Monday, March 9th, here for Com 702. Just have a couple of reminders. The first thing that I want to remind you of is that you want to complete your prep packets. There was a little bit of a mix-up, so some of you completed a prep packet for Chapter 6 already, and you can go ahead and go back and complete Chapter 5s for this week. I apologize. I did write some things down while I was trying to give you reminders, and it just kind of tripped a few of you up. So if you have already completed Chapter 6, go ahead and go back to Chapter 5. And if you've completed Chapter 5, go ahead and continue with Chapter 6. Those will be your prep packets number 4 and 5, respectively. Go ahead and continue searching for research and literature for your course paper. I'm going to be helping some of you. I'm trying to find literature examples that you can use in your papers. If you have more questions or need more help, please feel free to reach out to me. I enjoyed meeting a lot of you in our one-on-one meetings and check-in time, so feel free to continue doing that. And we will have another official check-in before the semester's over. Also, Exam 1, your midterm, is coming. It will be assigned next Monday, March 9th, and it is not due until March 23rd. That will give you plenty of time, I promise. It will be plenty of time for you to write and complete your midterm. There will be no readings due. There will be no packets due. So you'll just be focusing on the exam for a couple of weeks, and I want to make sure that you have enough time to thoughtfully submit your responses. So you will have time to complete that. That's everything for right now. Continue working on your papers and thinking about research. I hope you're enjoying the book. I know that most of you are, so I'm glad to hear that. And if there's anything else that I can do, please reach out to me. If you haven't heard from me or if you don't hear from me for a while, please send a follow-up email. Many of you are online this semester. I have several classes online, so if I skip over you, it is not intentional. Please just follow up with me and say, hey, Dr. Spates, can we meet up really quickly? I promise I am not ignoring you. If you have any other things that you need from me, we can meet in person or as always via Zoom conference. I'll send you the link and we can catch up. Thanks so much and have a great week, and I will see you next Monday for our next checklist.